Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCERT Mathematics Learning Hub. In this video, I am going to discuss with you a topic of section formula. We will solve a problem on a section formula. This is the first question of exercise 7.2 from the chapter Coordinate Geometry of NCERT Mathematics textbook. The question says, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of these 2 points in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so they have given you the 2 points and they are asking you to find the coordinate of another point, and where is that point lies? That point lies after dividing these 2 points after dividing the line in the ratio 2:3. So I have just drawn a line here and I have named the endpoint of this line as A and B. So A, I have given the coordinate what they have given the question 1 minus 1 comma 7, and B is having the coordinate 4 comma minus 3. Okay, and there is one point at the middle of these two. Where is that point lies? We don't know. It is nothing like it is at the center. It is not equidistant. Okay, so it is anywhere on this line. What is the relation? How do we get to know where the point lies? We have been given the hint that it is dividing the line in the ratio 2:3. So from here to here it is 2 parts. If I am going to divide this whole line into 5 parts like this, okay, so I have just divided this line into 5 parts, 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 parts of that line will be the distance between these 2 points, and 3 parts of this line will be the distance between these 2 points. So if I am naming this point as O or something, so you need to find the coordinate of this point. Where is this point lies actually? Okay, so for this type of question we have been given the section formula. Why it is called as section? Because you can see the line has been divided into 2 sections, right? 2 sections or 2 parts, right? So because of that it is called as section formula. So let me just write the section formula here. P of x comma y. So if I am naming it as P, then it holds good. Otherwise you would have written here O of x comma y, because we want to find the coordinate of this point, and if the point is P, write it P here. If you have named it as O, write it O of x comma y, because we need to find the coordinate of that point, right? Which will be equals to, write bracket, m1 x2 plus m2 x1. Okay, it is just the opposite. If you have taken the ratio like this, m1 and m2, what are the ratios they have given? They have given m1 is equals to 2 and m2 is equals to 3. So then you have here divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this is the formula to find the x coordinate. So if you want to find the particularly x coordinate, then you can stop till here itself, but they have asked you the complete coordinate, so you need to find the x and y both, right? So in the same way here also, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by again m1 plus m2. What is m1 m2? It is nothing but the ratio that they have given. So I have just written here already. So m1 m2 everything is here. Now let it be x1 y1 and let it be x2 y2. Now we have all the known unknown values, so let us just substitute that, right? So m1 is 2 into x2 is how much? 4, plus, then we have m2 is how much? 3 into What is there? x1. x1 is what? It is nothing but -1, right? Then this divided by m1 plus m2, it is nothing but 2 plus 3, comma 2 into, then you have y1 and y2. So y2 value, it is how much? -3 plus m2 is again 3 and y1 is nothing but 7. So let me just substitute here. Again 2 plus 3, because m1 is 2 and m2 is 3, right? So let me just simplify this. 2 4s are 8, plus into minus, -3, divided by 5. Then here plus into minus, 2 3s are 6, plus 7 3s are 21, divided by again 2 plus 3 5, right? So what are you going to have here then? 8 minus 3, it is nothing but 5, divided by 5, comma -6 and plus 21. How much are you going to get? You are going to get here plus 15 by 5. 1 is minus, 1 is plus, so you just subtracted and return the bigger number sign. Nothing is there means it has plus. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 threes are. So what are the two coordinates you have got here? You have got here 1, 3. This is the coordinate of the point P, which lies which lies at a distance which has the ratio 2:3. That's it for today's class. In the next video, we will be discussing how to find the coordinate of the points of trisection of the line. Okay? And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.